Hello, I saw your question in the email. A rectangular piece of metal is 30 inches longer than it is wide. So in black here we have a rectangular piece of metal. I called its width W and its length W plus 30. So the width here is W and the length here is W plus 30. Squares with 6 inches are cut from the four corners. So I might not have done it very proportionally, but you're cutting 6 by 6 out of each corner. Okay, then you're going to fold it up along these lines here and make a box. And the flaps are folded upward to form a box. The volume of the box is 2,106 cubic inches. What's the original dimensions of the piece of metal? So what's the original width? And so volume of a box, volume equals width times length times height. The volume's given. Now you need to get these in terms of W. Well, if I'm calling this W and I'm cutting out 6 here and I'm cutting out 6 here, what's that leave between here? Be W minus 12, because you're cutting out 6 on both sides. Then the length would be here. The length is W plus 30, but you're cutting out 6 here and again another 6. So you take away 12 from 30 and you get W plus 18. So that'd be the length. The width is W minus 12, and the height of it, you're cutting out 6. You're going to fold up 6 inches. And so this is the equation that you need to solve. I'd probably start by dividing each side by 6 just to make the numbers a little smaller, and then I'd solve this quadratic equation. We can talk more about this tomorrow in class as needed. I know you had 2 questions, but they were same type of question, and so hopefully this will get you started.